Worried about buying a second-hand car? Get updated information from VinReportCheck.com. Buying a used car is different from investing in a brand new one. An old car must have traveled kilometers, resulting in some change in its condition. If not serious wear and tear, it is important to get the car thoroughly checked by a mechanic. This will give you assurance whether it is in suitable condition to buy. Never make the mistake of investing for any random car just for the sake of buying it. Take a mechanic's assistance. Every car goes through different maintenance and it is taken for servicing after some time intervals. There can be others who do not mind it getting done by a roadside mechanic and they may delay it opting for car servicing. To understand the condition of the car correctly before buying a used one, the information available at VinReportCheck.com shall help you stay updated about the car. Estimate how much repair is required. This is another part to consider when buying a used car. This will help you decide for the actual expense or budget to be spent for your second-hand car. This way, you can save money and offer the right budget for the used car using VinReportCheck.com.